Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak back all up in this thing, you know what I'm saying? And today I'm gonna be mounting this brass catcher onto my AR. Now this is the TacStar brass catcher, AR Picatinny style rail mount. Clamps to a Picatinny rail. Shell bag pulls off mount for easy emptying. Holds up to 120 223 cases. That's what it says down there. So heat resistant bag, low profile, adjustable, no modifications needed. So I'm gonna be putting this on my AR pistol today. Now I just want to put it on to mount the mount piece. I'm probably not gonna leave the bag on there all the time, but a brass catcher is nice to have if you shoot a lot, or if you you know, do your own reloading or anything like that. But as well, it's nice to, you know, not have to pick up a whole bunch of shell casings if you know, shooting on your own property, or maybe you're somewhere and you just want to, you know, slap this on instead of having to clean all the brass up or steel. But this is just, you know, a nice thing to be able to put on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I picked this up online for about it was about 25-30 bucks, somewhere in there. I can't remember exactly, but got it off Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and let y'all see what's in here. Alright, so here you go. This is what it looks like right here. TacStar. It's some pretty good feeling material, I will say. Alright, there you go. And here's the adjustable piece to put, you know, kind of slide it to where you want to mount it on your rail. And this is what comes with it: a bag with you know, the actual rail mount piece, and then you got a little hex tool in here. Alright, now let's take a closer look at this mounting device. You see, this just goes over your Picatinny rail, and you can use the tool they gave you to tighten down, and it'll clamp it on. Now you see these are two like I forgot what you call them, like divots almost, and there are four. I don't know if you guys can see that. There are four on the bottom of here. So when you have this mounted, you put it on so it's like you know, kind of sitting there but not all the way on. Then you push it into its final position, good unlocked, and then you could just pull this off, dump your shells, or not wear it on, have it on your weapon. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my AR pistol, and I'll be right back. Now go ahead and mount that on mine, show you how to do it. Alright, so as always, when you're dealing with a loaded firearm, or any firearm really, go ahead and set that to the side. right, just for everyone watching, any safety freaks out there, you know what I mean. But it's good to get that stuff out the way, you know, when you're doing stuff like this anyway, honestly. All right, so don't know exactly where I'm gonna mount this at yet. Now, one thing, you know, I will be doing a review on this after I actually get a chance to, you know, get some good use out of it. But, you know, kind of first glance at this thing, I wish that they would have made this you know, adjustable slide go all the way across the full thing, because now what I'm thinking about is, you know, people are gonna have, you know, other either scopes or whatever mounted on their rail at different positions. And this amount of adjustability, it's something, but, you know, why not have that go, you know, to be able to slide all the way across. I would have liked that, but we'll see if we can find a good spot for it. And also, there are these buttons on the top, which you know, I guess you can also remove the bag that way, just another way, but I probably won't do that. I'll probably just slide this thing off. All right. All right, so where I think I'm gonna put this, I gotta loosen this up first. All right, so where I believe I'm gonna put this is right behind my reflex, say about right here. And I think that's a good position for it right there. So go ahead and tighten this up on the back side. So go ahead and pump this up, get it somewhat tight. I don't want this to be able to come off. There we go. And so once you have, you know, the portion mounted on your rail, you know, where you want it to go, you also want to tighten down those two on the bag itself. So I pretty much got this, you know, slid all the way over as far as it can go. So you're gonna want to go ahead and tighten those down so it doesn't slide and move on you. Make sure you hit both, you know, alternate a couple times to make sure you got them both on the same level. Boom. We good. And boom. There it goes right there. That's nice. It's not in the way at all. You can see it's you know, plenty of space in there. It doesn't really affect anything with my finger. Yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy this. So that was the install. Like I said, I'll be doing a full review on this, you know, hopefully pretty soon. So I'll let you guys know, you know, how this thing actually works out in the field. But that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you like the video. If you got any questions, anything like that, leave it in the comment box down below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out. Squat.